Do you want to turn off the camera sound on your Samsung phone because you're annoyed by the loud camera sound while taking photos? In this video, I'll show you 2 easy methods to do it. So let's get started. Method 1. First, open up the settings, then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Apps. Now scroll down and find the camera apps. Then tap on it. After that, tap on Camera Settings. Now scroll down again, find the shutter sound. Here it is. Simply toggle it off. Method 2. Open the camera app, then tap on the settings icon from the top left corner. Scroll down, find the shutter sound option. Now simply turn it off. So guys, this is the way to turn off the camera sound on your Samsung phone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have anything to know, ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for tuning in.